Okay, guys, example number 1 here. It says a decorator plans to place a rug in a 9-meter by 12-meter room. Okay, well, here's the room. Okay, it says it's 9 meters by 12 meters. Okay, so that a uniform strip of flooring around the rug will remain uncovered. Okay, so if I put the rug in here, right? It says it's uniform, so that means this distance out here is the same all the way around. Does that make sense? So that means that this little distance between the rug and the wall is the same all the way around. It's x. It's x. Here, I'll write it in blue. It may be a little easier to see. It's x here. It's x there. It's x there. The distance between the rug and the wall is x. Okay? Now it says, how wide will this strip be? So that's what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for x. How wide is it? Okay? How wide will this strip be if the area of the rug, that means this side times this side, is half the area of the room, which is 9 times 12. Now, let's try and set up an equation for that. This takes a little bit. But what's the area of the room itself? What's the area of the room itself, Tara? Well, it's 9 times 12, right? And you said 108. Okay, that's good. Here, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. It's 9 times 12, the area of the room. But the rug is inside. Well, hang on. Now, that's the area of the room. Now, if the rug is half the area, that means if I multiply the area of the rug by 2, that it'll be the same. Does that make sense? Or I could just do this, guys. I'm sorry. How about multiplying this by a half? I can do that, right? Half of the area of the room is equal to the area of the rug. Now, how can I set up the area of the rug? How long is each side? Because that's what I have to know. No, it's not x. X is the distance between the wall and the rug. But how long is the rug? How wide is the rug? Jordan, give me one of them. Okay, this side of the room is 9 meters, but I have to take off this x and this x. So Jordan says 9 minus 2x. Okay, that's good. What's the length of that other side? Who has that for me? Joe. 12 minus 2x. Okay, so the area of the rug is those two binomials multiplied together. Okay, so 9 minus 2x times 12 minus 2x. That's the hard part, gentlemen. We're done now. Look at this over here. A half times 9 times 12. Well, that's 6. That's 54. When I multiply those three things. Right? And now I need to distribute this. 9 times 12 is 108. 9 times negative 2x is negative 18x. Negative 2x times 12 is negative 24x. And negative 2x times negative 2x is positive 4x squared. Okay, well, let's simplify a bit. 54 is equal to 108. What is that? Minus, is it 42x? Plus 4x squared? Nice. Okay, now what do I do? What do I still need to do? I've simplified, but what do I still need to do, Eric? I got to subtract the 54 from both sides, right? So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get 0 is equal to 54 minus 42x plus 4x squared. Wait a minute. I need to rearrange these things. I need my x squared in the front. 0 is equal to 4x squared minus 42x plus 54. Now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video because I'm right at the end, and we'll finish it up in the next one, okay? Because I don't want to rush through this bit. Because guess what I'm going to have to use here? I've got to use the quadratic. But remember, quadratic gives us solutions. It's going to tell us what x equals, all right? We'll get to that in just a minute. I'll see you at the next part of this example.